Yeah, we'll see the things in Python clearly. Look at the first, if you type 10, you get 10. If you type any number, you get the same number. And look at this number. Here it is octal, base 8, octal number. Any number preceded by 0 followed by small letter O or capital O is an octal number. So 12 is octal and converted to decimal. Decimal it is 10. Similarly 100 octal, in decimal it is 64. So, and 0x, any number, base 16 hexadecimal notations. Any number preceded with 0x is hexadecimal notation, 20 hexadecimal, and in decimal it is 32. So just go through number system, conversion of decimal to binary, decimal to octal, octal to decimal, and etc. Look at int of any 8.988, any floating point number, you get the integer value. And look at this here clearly. So you are converting, if you put int in front of anything, it converts it into integer. 123 within quotations is a string is converted into integer. This is scientific notation representation. 3.7 E1 is nothing but 3.7 into 10 to the power of 1. And just like int, float is used to convert any type of data to float point. Look at this 10.23. 10.23 within quotations is a string. Anything within quotations is a string. So if you put float in front, it becomes floating point number. And this is a complex number representation. And you can use type to find any type of thing, like type 9j is a complex number. And we'll see some booleans. Boolean is true or false. Look at this, type true, you got an error. You need to put T capital letter. Type true, T capital, then it shows class bool. Look at, if you put type true, you get true only. 5 is equal to 4, comparison, relational operators. Comparison, 5 is equal to 4 is false and 5 less than 6 is true. Look at this, D is equal to hello is a string, and if you just type D, you get hello. Even you can put it within double quotations also. A string can be placed within single quotations and also in double quotations. Even you try giving triple quotations, what happens? Check it out. So type we already used to check any type of data. And look at this 12.5, type of 12.5 is float. And str, just like int float, str is used to convert any type of data to string format. So str 12.5, 12.5 is a real number. If I put str in front, it becomes string. Look at the output 12.5 within quotations. And we use plus operator in Python for concatenation of data. Joining of any two strings. Two strings can be joined very simply with the help of plus. And look at this notation. P is equal to 10 and Q is equal to 20. P comma Q is equal to Q comma P. It's a Python trick. Swapping of two numbers. The P value is copied to Q and Q is copied to P. Check out the output clearly. We'll see some format things clear, formatted data. Look at x is equal to 12.87656 after decimal point. How many numbers, how many digits are there? So print x or simply x. Now you look at format. Format is different and dot format is different. So format x comma dot 2f. After decimal point, you are allowed with only 2 digits. No matter how many digits you have. Dot 0.2f after decimal point 2 digits, 0.3f 3 digits. Look at this notation here, 10.2f, 10.2f, this is to be observed. So total number of field width is 10, and in that field width we are using 2 for decimal places. So just try giving 10.2, 10.3 and etc. You'll find the difference clearly. So format, the 10 is field width and 2 is your precision and F is your conversion code. Justification. By default, any integer number is right justified. You can insert the less than symbol in front of a format specifier to specify an item to be left justified. You see the example here. Here there is a less than symbol, and see the difference in the output clearly. Look at 10.2f. We have some spaces on the left hand side. Once I put less than symbol and it is left justified and the spaces are on right hand side. So we have integer formatting. If I put 10x, 20 comma 10x, integer formatted to hexadecimal integer. Hexadecimal integer. Here also you can try by giving less than symbol. Look at another example. Format. Yeah, you just try by giving 1, 2, 3, 4 comma within double quotations 10d. D for decimal, X for hexadecimal. So we can even format strings. Look at example. Hello, hi, 25s. So 25s is total field width is 25, and we have a string hello, hi. You see the spaces. What happens if you put greater than symbol? Look at the greater than symbol. You just practice by giving by changing these symbols and you'll see the output clearly. So we have one more formatting as a percentage. We have a conversion code %, which is used to format a number as a percentage. See the example 3.1 and within double quotations 10.2%. So look at that 10.2%. Now the output is 31. Check out the output clearly. So the number is multiplied by 100. So just observe the things by giving 10.3, 10.4 and etc. We can even have format in scientific notation 10.2e.